Open Chrome browser and go to Chrome Web Store. In Web Store, search for Better Blocks. All you have to need, add these Better Blocks extension to your browser. Once the extension added, go to your Roblox, and as you can see, welcome to Better Blocks. Important notice, please allow up to 5 minutes after installation for the extension to properly initialize and update its settings. Friends last seen presence data may take up to 24 hours to fully synchronize. So now all you have to need, click on got it and wait 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, now on, you can just come to this friend section, and here you can see your friend last active time showing. If any of your friends come online after installing the extension, you will be able to see their last scene. And note one thing, you will not be able to see the last scene of those who went offline before installing the extension. So you have to wait until they come online again, and then you will be able to see their last online.